a tree that dominates the freshwater swamp forests of the Philippines. What tree is it? Introducing Lanipaw terminalia copelandii of the family Combritaceae. The genus Terminalia comes from the Latin word terminalis, meaning of or belonging to the end. This reflects the tree's growth habit where leaves and flowers often appear at the ends of branches. The species Copelandii honors the botanist Edwin Copeland, who contributed to studying tropical plants. The suffix "I" is a common Latin ending used to denote a person in scientific nomenclature. Lanipa occurs mainly in lowland primary swamp forest and beach regions, but it may be found from the coast to 400 meters above sea level in Papua New Guinea. It is never common but occurs in many areas in Sumatra, Kalimantan, the Philippines, Sulawesi, Irian Jaya, Papua New Guinea, and the Solomon Islands. Lanipaw is a medium-sized tree that dominates the freshwater swamp forest of the Philippines. Hence, the more popular name is Lanipaw forest. Like its terminalia relatives, Lanipaw shares the group's unique characteristics such as pagoda-like branching, straight trunk, and clustered leaves at the tip of the twigs. Hence, one can easily determine the genus of the plant even from a far distance. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.